Hey everyone, if you're running a busy restaurant, bar, or cafe and ice is always running low, this commercial ice maker might be exactly what you need. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I recently tested this 450 lbs/24H commercial ice maker with a 250-pound storage bin, and it's seriously impressive. Whether you're hosting a weekend event or just need a steady supply during peak hours, this machine keeps up without breaking a sweat. First off, the output is no joke. At 450 pounds of ice every 24 hours, you're looking at a serious supply for high-demand situations. I ran it non-stop for a few days, and it never faltered. Even during the hottest part of the day, it kept producing full cubes without slowing down. The compressor is air-cooled and surprisingly quiet for something this powerful. I set it up in the back corner of my kitchen, and the noise level was low enough that I could still carry on a conversation nearby. That's a big deal if you're working in a tight space where every decibel counts. The storage bin holds 250 pounds of ice, and the stainless steel construction with insulation keeps everything cold and dry. I filled it up to test, and even after 12 hours, the ice stayed perfectly frozen without melting into a slushy mess. That's a huge plus for places that need to prep ice in advance. The LCD panel is super user-friendly. You can schedule ice production in 24-hour blocks, which is great if you know you'll need more during dinner rushes. It also has an auto-cleaning function, so maintenance is a breeze. I ran the cleaning cycle once, and it took less than 10 minutes, no scrubbing or hassle involved. Setup was straightforward too. The package came with everything I needed: a water line connector, drain hose, and even a power cord. I had it running within an hour of unboxing, which is a relief compared to some commercial appliances that require professional installation. One thing to note is the size. This isn't a countertop unit, it's a full commercial machine, so you'll need dedicated space for it. If you're running a small cafe with limited room, this might be overkill. But if you're in a restaurant or bar, the footprint is worth it for the output. Another minor point is the water connection. You'll need a consistent water supply, so make sure your setup can handle it. If you're in an older building with low water pressure, you might need to adjust your expectations or upgrade your plumbing. Overall, this ice maker is a solid investment for businesses that rely on a steady ice supply. It's durable, efficient, and easy to maintain, which is exactly what you want in a commercial appliance. So, if you're tired of running out of ice or constantly refilling smaller machines, this one's worth a look. Check it out using the link below and see if it fits your needs. For most buyers, the real question is not whether 450 lbs/24H commercial ice maker machine, 22-inch air-cooled ice machine with 250-pound storage bin, powerful compressor, 182 full cube ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, industrial ice maker for restaurant bar cafe sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like high output 450 pounds of ice every 24 hours never run out of ice and powerful and low noise air-cooled compressor equipped with it actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile. After the first few days of excitement wear off. What stands out about 450 lbs/24H commercial ice maker machine, 22-inch air-cooled ice machine with 250-pound storage bin, powerful compressor, 182 full cube ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, industrial ice maker for restaurant bar cafe is how it seems positioned for buyers who want something practical, easy to understand, and worthwhile beyond the first impression. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like 450 lbs/24H commercial ice maker machine, 22-inch air-cooled ice machine with 250-pound storage bin, powerful compressor, 182 full cube ice ready in 8 to 15 minutes, industrial ice maker for restaurant bar cafe usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.